messages regarding a health device called Healy. Or you might have attended a couple of meetings trying to understand what the technology is or how the device works, what the concept is all about. Or you might be someone who has no clue about Healy, never heard the name. So right now I'm trying to present Healy in a nutshell to you. See what Healy is all about. Healy is a device which has been cleared by US FDA, and it is a class 2A category wearable medical device that has been manufactured in Germany. And it uses microcurrents or frequencies to help balance your mind and body. And it is a health device that works at the cellular level. Now it has a unique quantum sensor that will tell you what type of frequencies are required for your body. And it is this quality that makes it unique in the world, because it works on individualized microcurrent frequencies, person to person thing. It can help you in various issues, specifically for different types of pains that you might have. It could be a muscular pain, it could be a joint pain, fibromyalgia, backache, it could be skeletal pains, and it is also beneficial as a supportive treatment for various conditions like stress, depression, anxiety, migraine, different type of sleep disorders. Healy can help in aura scan and resonance analysis also in the distance healing mode. So the healers or the alternate therapists who understand what distance healing is all about, they find it very exciting to use this device so that they can provide much more impactful benefits to their clients. So what Healy does, Healy uses small microcurrent frequencies or small currents to stimulate your tissues and cells. And since the currents are so small that they pass into the cellular space, matching body's own naturally produced frequencies. So the benefit that you get is as natural as possible. There's nothing artificial about it. So let's see what we have got inside our cells. So inside the cells there's mitochondria. So these are the little power plants that keep the cells operating and functioning properly. The microcurrents or the frequencies stimulate that particular part of the cell, and what that does is increase the production of a substance called ATP, adenosine triphosphate, which is extremely critical for the cellular health. Healy increases the ATP production by 5 times, or simply saying 500%. So there is an absolute effect on that part of the body, promoting its health and well-being. So that is the reason it has been seen that people who have been suffering from different type of health issues for many years, maybe 15, 20, 25 years, and they have been taking medicines for so many years, still not getting the desirable effect. They are stunned by the impact of microcurrent frequencies from Healy. That is the reason it has got widespread acceptability as far as the overall holistic health is concerned.